Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to change difficulty in Coromon on Android. So the first thing, you need to make sure that you're at the Lux Solis campus, and from here I'm standing right outside the lab, but we don't need to get in here. Let's get out. We'll need to move to the left right here and then go up. And enter this building. From here go up, go to the left, then go up again and get close to this computer. Now press this button right here, and from here you can change the difficulty to whichever preset you want, from easy, normal, hard to insane. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.